Paycheck to Wealth, using Social Security as one stepping stone in your wealth building journey. Here are 4 tips to consider. Social Security often gets a bad rap. It is associated with retirement, and many people don't believe that it will be around for them later in life. However, expect Social Security to be around, and it can play an important role in your wealth building journey. The role of Social Security in wealth building. Number 1, it's a foundation of guaranteed income. Social Security provides a base level of income that is adjusted for inflation, ensuring that your purchasing power is maintained throughout retirement. Number 2, it provides longevity insurance. As life expectancies increase, outliving your savings is a significant risk. Social Security acts as longevity insurance, providing you with a monthly income for life. Number 3, it provides investment diversification. Investments usually have a mix of stocks and bonds. Social Security's guaranteed income adds diversification since it's not directly correlated with the financial market's performance. Finally, number 4, it provides less risk than other investments because Social Security is a source of guaranteed income. You can rest assured that your Social Security benefits will be there, even during market downturns. Social Security should not be the sole focus of your wealth building journey, but rather a piece of the puzzle. By understanding and maximizing your Social Security benefits, you can create a stronger and more secure financial future. Visit www.paychecktowealth.com to learn more.